This is me on a private jet sipping expensive champagne when Bitcoin and I hit an all-time high. This is also me tracking down an exotic animal, touring a private jet terminal.
Where's the missiles?
Giving away free money.
Would you like some free Bitcoin today?
And buying everything I wanted in Bitcoin. And this is also me stealing the private jet's in-flight catering because the Bitcoin price had crashed.
This is why we say HODL.
In this video, we're going to live like a Bitcoin baller for 24 hours, answering the following questions. How did I get onto that PJ using Bitcoin? What weird wild animal was I tracking down? Where in the world can you spend Bitcoin so easily? And Bitcoin's going to be like a bajillion dollars one day. Why would you spend it? So join me as we explore this together on a remote island that's full of millionaires. Yeah, let's address this wealthy island part before we go any further. Where can I complete such a bizarre Bitcoin challenge? Maybe it's Fat Cat Miami, affluent LA, a secluded Swiss city, or a well-to-do denizens den in Dubai. Crucially, this place must have a high percentage of Bitcoin-friendly merchants, and most importantly, a private jet service that's Bitcoin friendly. So I did a bit of research, and thanks to a tip-off from Molly at Coin Corner, I flew to a tiny, zero-tax island in the middle of the Irish Sea. Of its population of just 85,000 people, it has reportedly around 30,000 millionaires. That means that technically, 1 in 3 people are millionaires. It has 30,000 active companies registered, and according to Danny Scott, the CEO of Coin Corner, there are at least 50 companies with Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Plus, it's remote and isolated. So if you're minted, you kind of need a PJ. Listen to what this secret millionaire told me.
You've got to have flexibility with a plane, otherwise you're taking a car over on the ferry, which, as you know, it's not nice.
So this island is private jet positive, Bitcoin friendly, and millionaire aware.
That is so kind of you. Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Send me all your empty legs and I will try to fill them up with me and my girlfriend and maybe, I don't know, some friends as well, and fly on a private jet for Bitcoin. Yep, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Cheers. Great talk. Thanks. Bye-bye. Will do. Bye. Let's go. She just had stories of billionaires. She had so many stories of billionaires.
I was just kidding, mate.
Yeah.
I used to fly to London on a private jet based on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Thank you. It's a big day. Yeah. Getting to the end of our stay in the Isle of Man private jet terminal. What's it called?
Isle of Man private jet terminal. Yeah.
Isle of Man private jet terminal. Because you can also buy private jet tickets with Bitcoin, and Henry just promised he's going to treat me to this private jet ticket.
Did I?
Oh, there it is, Jet Centre, the private jet company. Now, billionaires are famously philanthropic. With more money than God, they donate whopping sums of money to charities, and they generously send tax-exempt donations to their own foundations. But I am a Bitcoin billionaire, and I believe Bitcoin is good for the world. So I stand in the street and try to give away free Bitcoin? Let me send you some sats, which is small amounts of Bitcoin. So all you need is use your phone and have internet, yeah?
Today a Bitcoin's worth about £50,000.
Okay.
Yeah, there's one, but I'm going to send you a little bit of one on this app. And then if you tap receive, I don't have internet on my phone right now.
Right,
but what
okay.
I can do is I can do something even cooler. Generate invoice. And then what I'm going to do now is if you tap the NFC button for your phone somewhere, sometimes it reads, it did work.
Oh, okay.
So this is how I do it without the internet. There you go.
Would you like some free Bitcoin today? I'm giving it out to people that give me interviews. It takes 2 seconds and all you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection.
No, I'm okay. I don't want.
Okay, that's no problem at all. Do you want some free Bitcoin today? Yeah. I'm giving out Bitcoin to people to show that you can use it as money if you want to. Yeah, and you've been friendly with your lovely Andy the Landy. Yeah, so all you have to do is download an app on the, do you have a phone on you? And this is a Lightning wallet, so with it, you can spend Bitcoin at shops that accept it along here. And there are lots of them. You'll see there's a Shake Shack and there's a noodle bar as well. Don't know if you've seen the Bitcoin stickers before.
I have in some places.
Okay, so if you tap receive and then generate invoice, I can send you money from my hand. So if you tap scan NFC, and then I'm going to tap this here. So I sent it from my hand to you. Ta-da. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Great, okay.
Acts of Bitcoin benevolence can spark a billionaire's appetite. But here's the thing, Bitcoin billionaires didn't get rich by spending lavishly. They built their wealth through careful saving,
not frivolous spending. Unless, of course, it's for a PR stunt. So I treated my cameraman Aaron to lunch, bought a reasonably priced gift for my girlfriend, and then it was time for the hunt. Billionaires keep exotic pets and enjoy safaris as well as pasty yacht expeditions. For me, on this quaint and remote island, that means tracking down an Australian animal that escaped from the nature reserve.
We've come to the north of the island to try to find some wallabies. Yes, wallabies. Apparently, some wallabies escaped from a wildlife park a few years ago, and there's now hundreds of them in the surrounding area. The plan is, of course, to ask them about Bitcoin use on the island and to see if they miss Australia. How do you call a wallaby? Caw-caw! What does a wallaby even look like? It's like a kangaroo, but this big, is that right? This big, yeah. And they're good at jumping, right? Oh my God, there it goes. That's hilarious. What is going on? You got him. Nice, we're gonna try and zoom in. I'm gonna try and interview the wallaby. That's so cool. Come on, Willie. Or what do you think he's called? Wally the wallaby? He's just chilling there. We've spotted him, we can see him. Oh no, he's going. No, no, wallaby. We flew the drone up to try and chase the wallabies, but no joy. But we did see one hopping through as I was impersonating it. Right, starting to piss it down. So let's go to... Mate, are you excited? Yeah. I'm so excited. Well, got one. This is sick. So the reason why we toured that jet is because they accept Bitcoin for charters to all over the UK and even as far as the south of France. But the one thing about that plane is that it doesn't have a toilet. So you can only fly as far as your bladder allows, but really cool experience. Now we're gonna go see the Learjet, which also accepts Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on something a bit smarter because it's my first time on a private jet. Ah, okay. I was gonna wear a giant Bitcoin bee because I paid in Bitcoin. Yeah. Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate it. This is amazing. Have I got more posh since I've started like interacting with people here? I'm like, yeah, of course. Yeah, no, thank you, sir. Yeah. But in the meantime, we're on a tight budget, so let's get as many of these as possible and put them in your rucksack, yeah? Mate, it's all free. And I'll show you how I paid for this flight in Bitcoin. All I did was email this company called Candy Jets and said, can I pay in Bitcoin? And then I got an email. So I clicked on pay invoice and it came up with that. All I had to do was scan the QR code with my phone, which you all know to do right now because I paid for literally everything over the past 36 hours with Bitcoin. And that was it, paid for with Bitcoin. So there's also really expensive stuff you can buy with Bitcoin. And we've organized it, so I've paid for Bitcoin for this today, and it looks amazing. So yeah, Bitcoin really is for everyone. It's for people wanting to buy coffee, and it's for people those wanting to buy private jets. Hello.
Hello, Chris Williams, Captain. Hi.
Joe, lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
You okay?
So yeah, good, thanks.
Yeah.
So we're ready to head out when you're ready.
Fantastic, okay. Is there anything I should do or shouldn't do? I've never been on a private jet before. A little bit nervous.
No, just treat it as a normal plane journey, like you would on any airliner, so we have to do the same rules.
Okay.
Follow the same rules.
Fantastic. Okay. Thank you very much. All right, let's go, Aaron. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Where should we sit? At the back or the front, the middle? Does it matter? This is awesome.
So there's a tray each there for you, so a tray each food.
Very kind.
The other bit is with tables, so if you want tables, they've got like this and out. Again, these have to be stowed for takeoff and landing.
Yeah. Okay, great. It's only 2 of us for a flight that could have, what, 8 people?
Yeah, but that's quite normal.
This is fantastic, yeah. Cool. I think we definitely have to have a glass of champagne, mate. Yeah. You'll join me with that, right?
Yeah.
Great.
Champagne.
As I sit here enjoying this expensive private jet, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, why didn't you HODL the Bitcoin and spend pounds or dollars instead? You'll regret that one day. Well, let me tell you how I see it. The real loss is the money you didn't put into Bitcoin in the first place. Let me explain. Let's say I have $1,000 in Bitcoin, $1,000 in my bank account, and I spend $200 on a Bitcoin-friendly plane ticket. Not quite a private jet just yet. The following year, Bitcoin 10x's. You say, oh, I could have had $2,000 more in Bitcoin. But I say, no, you could have had $10,000 more if you'd put that other $1,000 into Bitcoin. Because the real loss is that $1,000 sitting in your bank account. Anything held in fiat is losing value by design. Whereas Bitcoin, on the other hand, it incentivizes real savings. Savings that grow in value over time. And this leads to two things. One, you start to think differently about saving, working to stack more sats because you can actually plan your future better with Bitcoin. And two, you actually begin questioning the obsession with materialism and consumerism that we are faced with in society. For example, the glorification of billionaire lifestyles that society puts on a pedestal. Of course, we still need to spend. We've got to eat and we've got to have a roof over our heads. But Bitcoiners like me, we like to focus on cutting back on frivolous spending. And before you rush to the comments being like, oh my God, you hypocrite, you spent money on a private jet, that's obviously frivolous spending. Well, joke's on you. This was a calculated decision and also a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Who wouldn't say no to flying on a private jet? Come on. For more information about Bitcoin, please check out Plan B Network and do go to Coin Corner for all things Bitcoin wallet and Bitcoin Lightning related. None of this constitutes financial advice. I am, of course, not a billionaire. I'm never going to fly EasyJet again. Wow. Where are we?
Did you have any transport booked for yourselves, or did you leave any vehicles with us?
Yeah, we're going to take the bus, actually.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Hello. Can I ask you a quick question? Do you accept Bitcoin by any chance? No. Okay. I couldn't pay with sandwiches, could I? All in all, Bitcoin is not just for billionaires. I've seen its impact in places like rural Peru, Cuba, and Senegal. It's transforming lives, even for people on $1-a-day incomes. And if you don't believe me, well, please check out this video that I made. Do what you love and save in Bitcoin. Thank you.